Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your Toyota Highlander Hybrid. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies. You will need a wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have about 4.5 quarts of new 0-weight 20 synthetic oil and a new cartridge-style oil filter. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands before starting any work underneath. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, place your oil drain pan directly under the engine's drain plug. Using a 12mm wrench, carefully loosen the drain plug and remove it, allowing the old engine oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While the oil drains, inspect the drain plug gasket for any signs of wear or damage. It is good practice to replace it with a new one to prevent leaks. Once the old oil has drained, it's time to address the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old cartridge filter housing. Replace the old filter cartridge and all O-rings with new ones provided with your new filter. Install the new filter housing, tightening it to 18 foot-pounds. Then, reinstall the drain plug with its new gasket, tightening it to 30 foot-pounds to ensure a secure, leak-free seal. With the new filter and drain plug secured, carefully pour about 4.5 quarts of the new 0-weight 20 synthetic oil into the engine through the oil fill cap. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, inspect for any leaks and remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an authorized recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.